Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Regular KOTTON Cleanser is a versatile cleaning product that can be used on a variety of assets in a home or business that will restore and increase their value. Before using KOTTON Cleanser products, observe the instructions and cautions contained in the KOTTON Cleanser products brochure. Also, observe the instructions and cautions on KOTTON Cleanser products. Regular KOTTON Cleanser can be used on wood or painted surfaces and is designed to remove accumulated dirt and excess polish buildup while maintaining the original finish. Use regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner to clean any wood surface by applying regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner to an inconspicuous area of the wood surface with a brush or towel to begin the cleaning process. As you grow comfortable with regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner's cleaning power, begin cleaning more noticeable areas. Regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner can dry or remove a finish if it remains on any surface for a prolonged period, so only use regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner as is needed to clean the surface of the object being cleaned. Use a damp towel to wipe away the dirt and remove any excess regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner from the surface. In most circumstances, regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner will perform the cleaning process within an hour, but may take longer depending on the amount of cleaning needed. Regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner is non-abrasive and biodegradable. In some cases, 4.000 grade steel wool can be used as a mild abrasive with regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner to remove the dirt. Caution should be observed when using 0.000 grade steel wool. Remove all the dirt and regular KOTTON Cleanser Wood Restoration Cleaner from the wood surface. Regular KOTTON Cleanser should be used procedurally with KOTTON Cleanser Protective Wood Feeder to protect a wood surface and KOTTON Cleanser Lemon Oil Beeswax Polish to preserve a wood surface in a 3-step process. The KOTTON Cleanser products 3-step process will clean, protect, and preserve the beautiful valuables you treasure. Your time is valuable, and KOTTON Cleanser products shorten the time and effort needed to clean, protect, and preserve the assets in a home or business. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Painted surfaces require the use of regular KOTTON Cleanser procedurally with KOTTON Cleanser Oil Painting Restoring Oil to reduce the risk of removing paint. Painted tins, painted plastics, oil paintings, and gold leaf can be successfully cleaned with minimal effort by regular KOTTON Cleanser procedurally with KOTTON Cleanser Oil Painting Restoring Oil. Painted surfaces should not be cleaned with abrasives, as abrasives can remove paint. Regular KOTTON Cleanser can be used to clean most plastics, hard surface leather, marble, animal horn, glass, formica, aluminum, and other applications where grease and dirt need removal. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com. Buy KOTTON Cleanser products at www.kottonklenser.com.